going on, guys? Today I'm going to meet my cousin and we're going to be going to the Guest River Gorge, see if we can catch a few smallmouth. I'm cool with anything biting, but I think it's going to be smallmouth mainly. Probably not going to be anything huge. Never caught anything real big out of there, but creek smallmouth's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to do. So I'm going to meet him right now. We're going to head down to the creek. It's a hot day, afternoon, so well, luck's going to have to be on our side, but we'll see you down there. Oh no, my absolute toad. Come here. Just kidding. Quick release. That's fine. Whatever. Dude, this one ain't fighting at all. Ain't not bad, actually.
No? There's a little one trying to go for my frog. Oh, you ain't gonna eat that frog. That frog's big as you.
Here's what sucks. What? This dude's gonna shake. He's got 2 treble hooks in his mouth.
Look at him. He thinks he can eat my frog. Quite a few under it. That's a good sign, at least. At least I know they want the frog.
Dude, I hate unhooking trebles from a bass's mouth, especially with my pliers. Why'd you have to buy both treble hooks, dude? Oh yeah, we got him. Cute little feller. See you, buddy. Hello? Just trying to catch a fish, Mike. Oh yeah, what a cast. Oh, there's a bite. There's one. Yeah. I knew there'd be one in them rapids. That's actually a pretty decent smallmouth this creek. Get up here, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, quick release, too. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. I didn't even have to touch it. That man has done this before. He unstraightened my crawl. That's fine, he's just a droopy crawl now. Beautiful. See, there's one just like it. How about quick release my sunglasses too? Looks like an ad for Shady Rays.
Why am I finding all the guys rocks in the bottom of the river? Fine, I know this. This little soft plastic out there.
Hey, Z-Mans are fine. Don't you worry about a thing. There's gotta be something in this deep hole under this rock. Gotta be. Oh yeah. No shot, mate. No way, buddy. Leave. You're not welcome here. You can rain, just quit the thunder and lightning. I'm already soaked. Exactly. Rain makes corn. Corn makes whiskey. Ah. That's a great idea. This thing ain't waterproof.
You got the waterproof case.
Oh! I just cut the piss out of my hand. Hey, cover your face real quick.
I am.
Okay.
But I'm still trying to fish.
Oh! Oh my God, that hurts. Oh! Oh my God.
Did that hit your phone? No, it was on the other bucket.
No, that sound was my leg. I mean, good to Carhartt pants, they're thick, but Jesus.
I mean, I was making it feel like a indentured servant.
Oh, there goes my sunglasses.
Oh my God. Stay like this.
Dude, if I'd have hit me in the head, I'd have died. Well, we made it about half a mile past here, and it started pouring. We are soaked. Luckily, there's a tunnel, yay! Looks like it's gonna clear up. I hope so. I just want to fish. How do you feel about the rain? It's literally, it's wet, man. Well, if we go back fishing, see you in a minute. Well, got down here, cut the camera off. Rain stopped. Oh man, I got my rod stuck. What in the world? Whew. And I caught pretty good rainbow, actually. I didn't know there was trout. Okay, dude. I didn't know there was trout in this creek. If you just let me get you out, I'll get you out of here, okay, buddy? Very pretty rainbow. We'll get him back in before he dies. You ready? Oh yeah. Slowly but surely he's gone. Pretty fish. Definitely a surprise. It's this little like 1.5 to 2 inch repel, that's it. Beautiful. He smoked that thing too. Switched it up again. Drop shot or gulp minnow. I get my hook tied on the right way, but I don't give a geisha. All right. Oh, there's a bat. Probably too small to eat the daggone minnow. Or he's just biting at the tail. Oh my God. I just about killed myself. Well, be back. I gotta untangle this. Okay. Almost perfect. Oh, I think I got a bit. They're just sitting there. Maybe not. Yep, there's one. Think feels like a smallmouth, but a little one. No, green sunfish, red eye, red eye. Not too bad. Yep, I know you're gonna freak out. Just give me just a second. I know. Come on, come on. There we go. Cute little feather. Red eye, rock bass, whatever you want to call them. Gosh almighty, I'm sorry, buddy. Not cool, man. There he goes. Oh, man. All right, buddy. Say goodbye. Oops, I did it again. It's no shocker, I broke off on a lot of bottom lures. Throw a little rooster shell. Throw a little rooster shell around for a little bit. Put a couple more lures in before it gets too dark. Any kind of inline spinner like a rooster tail. These are pretty good for creek and river smallies. Not too bad a day of fishing. My camera battery died once I tried to film. I was just switching up lures. I think I caught 2 more red eye after that, or rock bass, whatever you want to call them. But wasn't a bad day, other than getting wet. I'm still soaked, and it rained 4 hours ago. So that tells you how bad it actually did rain. But it wasn't a bad day. Had a lot of fun. You know, good little hike. Got your steps in. Catch a few fish. Enjoy the weather. Very hot, and it was very rainy. It was very hot and very humid, but pretty good day overall. Caught some smallmouth, some trout, red eye, a couple green sunfish. It's a pretty good day. That's all I got for you fine people today.